have all come on the different ships, but we are in the same boat now. This quote is written by Martin Luther King Jr. Namaste. This is Karuna Singh. Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge. Today on the show, we have a very special guest, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Varshney, Dean Research and Innovation, Manav Rachna University, Faridabad. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, we have been continuing since last couple of years. We are happy once again to renew the things next forthcoming year. So, first of all, we would like to know that currently in which areas Manav Rachna University is working.
I think I would like to first introduce myself. I am Dr. Pradeep Kumar Varshney. I am working with Manav Rachna since last 16 years.
Yeah.
And Manav Rachna is a group of institution, and that is Manav Rachna Education Institution, which is comprising of two higher education institutions. One is Manav Rachna University, and second is the Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Both are situated in Sector 43, Faridabad, on Surajpur Road. As far as programs are concerned, we have all variety of programs. We started our campus in 1997 with 3 programs. Now, as on date, we have around 100 programs within 2 universities.
Oh.
And apart from that, we are also running schools also under Manav Rachna Group. 8 schools in Pan India and 4 schools are running under Kunstskaparskolen type. Sweden.
That's very
So we are into schools and higher education institutions. As far as university programs are concerned, as I told you that we are running different variety of programs: sciences, engineering, paramedical sciences, dental sciences,
Yes.
arts, management, sociology. I think if you name, there is a program in Manav Rachna. You name anyone, there is a program, right?
Oh.
So, in case why we are associated with Real Estate? Real Estate is a company which are into nano material synthesis, and being a chemistry or material scientist, we are having a long association with Real Estate, and we would like to continue in the future as well.
Oh, yeah. So if we talk about students, so what are the areas in which they are working? Research work.
As far as Manav Rachna University is concerned, we have 3 programs in engineering, like computer science and engineering, with
Okay.
normal program, as well as we have tie-up with industries also. Like we have tie-up with Xivia for
Oh.
computer science, then we have TrueChip, cyber security, and as far as electronics is concerned, we have electronics and communication program, we have mechanical engineering program, we are running robotics and automation program in our university.
Okay.
And in sciences, we have UG and PG program in sciences like physics, chemistry, maths. We have BSc and MSc programs. As far as education is concerned, we have all UG and PG programs in education. Right? We have law faculty where we are running UG and PG programs. Even diploma program is also there, and management department is also there, which takes care of all UG and PG programs. Apart from that, we are also running PhD program
Oh, that's
in all the
that's
disciplines.
amazing. That's amazing.
So we have everything in our campus.
Yeah. So please brief us about the initiatives taken by the Manav Rachna University.
Yeah, we started our program in 1997, first time, right? Manav Rachna University started in 2004 in the name of Manav Rachna College of Engineering.
Oh.
We became university in 2014. Since then, we are into establishing new advanced labs in the area of Dakin. There is a air conditioning center is there. We have design and technology center in our campus where
Okay.
students are working on different industry-based problems, and they are developing new designs for the benefit of the society. And apart from that, we are also going to start a new center in the name of blockchain technology, because this technology is going to capture almost all the market, because right now we are dealing with the hard copy of mark sheet templates. Now your entire mark sheet will be on the cloud. The blockchain technology is going to help a lot.
Yeah, okay.
So, and apart from that, blockchain is there. Then we have Peace and Sustainability Center. This center is also takes care of different types of developments which are taking place in the all the departments, whether it's the physics department, chemistry department, maths department, or in engineering. So our center is not only going to focus on the peace, but it takes care of the sustainable development, which are very much required for the country.
Okay, you just use the term blockchain technique. So, can you please elaborate?
See, basically, blockchain is a advanced tool to develop a transcript
Okay.
of mark sheet, right? Which can be uploaded on the cloud. When you want to take a, suppose you are carrying mark sheet these days, right? And in case you don't want to carry anything, you have seen that all the certificates are on the app. Now, when your blockchain technology is there, then and every document will be on the cloud, and whenever you need, that time you have to just open your site and then you can see your documents. So no need of carrying the app. In case you forget to carry the mobile, then you will not be able to show the certificates. But blockchain technology is going to give you a virtual kind of concept of mark sheets and all the documents which are required. It will help digital technology.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to say about the collaboration with Rhinestone?
As I mentioned that we are into collaboration since last 4-5 years, and this collaboration is basically for research projects, also for consultancy projects, and we are also exploring new areas. Like for example, I would say that a lot of people are there in our university who have rich experience in different domain areas. But they can also contribute as a reviewer, as an expert who can review the papers of the STM journals, right? This is one of the area.
Yes.
Second area, I think we can also concentrate on skill development.
Okay.
So a lot of courses are there as per the directives of the UGC. A lot of programs are also running, but as per the requirement of the government of India, especially the Prime Minister Modi, he is emphasizing that Make in India program. So skill development is very much required to be inculcated in all the students of UG, PG and PhD. As far as my research is concerned, I just want to share that in our university we have started the concept of prototype development. This is a new concept.
Okay.
You have never heard that PhD student has developed something. So in our university, I am the first person who initiated this concept to start prototype development. Instead of going theoretical research, the students are going to develop a prototype, and that prototype is basically for the application point, I would say. Because in PhD, what people are doing, people are only doing some research and they are publishing papers.
Yeah.
And
absolutely.
the rest part is to be done by the industry.
Absolutely.
Now, prototype development work is the part and parcel of the PhD. So this is a new initiative.
Yeah, and this will be amazing. Yeah. Okay, so how we are planning to move ahead with this collaboration?
So as I told you that in these areas like research projects, consultancy, or I would say in the area of general reviewing or maybe in skill development, we have to involve our students as well as faculty to large extent, and we have to explore the possibility of getting some joint projects from Government of India. So whatever we were not able to do in the past, we will try to do in next couple of years.
Yeah.
So this is.
So I will just say this all the very, very best.
Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you so much, sir, for coming over here, and thanks for your time, thanks for your support, thank you for everything. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.